Hi guys, first job of the year, and it's a Mini Cooper. Not an old style Mini Cooper, but a new style Mini Cooper. Someone at Mini thought it would be a great idea to glue the covers down to the foams. That makes my job so much harder. Instead of just removing a set of seat covers and then be able to get to work on recovering the whole set, what I've had to do is I've had to individually cut each panel via its stitching away from the seat. So what you see on this seat here, it is scrim foam, but it has a very fine layer of wadding on it as well. I don't want to be taking the scrim foam off and potentially damaging the foam underneath. Now the front seats, I've got a heater element, so I can't do that at all because that will just destroy the element, because the element is glued as well to the seat. So now that I've removed all the panels from the seats, I'm going to use the original covers as a pattern. I will steam them flat. Once I've steamed them flat, I can actually place them on the leather and draw around them and cut them all out. Now all the pieces are prepared, I'm going to put them to one side and I'm going to get the leather out. I'm going to cut the leather in half down the spine and work on one half of a hide at a time. It's just easier that way. I always work from the spine anyway, so having two halves cut down the spine is absolutely perfect. I'm just going to draw around all the pieces, cut them out, make sure I put all the match marks in as well, and then once I've done that I will be foam backing them. So I'll get on with that and I'll come back to you in a bit. that is now all the pieces cut out for all the seats, so both front seats and the rear bench. All the match parts have been cut. I now need to foam back them. I'm going to foam back some pieces in 6mm scrim foam and some in 3. The ones that I'm going to diamond stitch will be 6mm and the rest will be 3mm. So all that cutting out I've got to do again after I've glued the foam to each piece. That's all the pieces now cut out for the front 2 seats and the rear bench. I haven't done the headrest yet, I will leave them till the very end. What I need to do now is to draw all the diamonds onto the centre panels and then I can stitch those. That's the first job. There are quite a lot of pieces and it's a bit of a jigsaw, but I should be fine. So I'll get to the centre panels here, which are at the bottom now, and start drawing the diamonds. That's now all the diamonds drawn on to the centre panels for both the rear seats and the front seats. I now need to do all the stitching, but that is for another day. So if you enjoyed that video, give it the old thumbs up and I hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.